10 Best Tech Gadgets on Amazon. In a world that's moving faster every year, staying up to date with the latest tech gadgets isn't just about luxury. It's about convenience, security, and smarter living. Whether you're setting up a modern smart home, improving your health and fitness tracking, or just looking to upgrade your entertainment experience, Amazon has a treasure trove of cutting-edge devices. From intelligent lighting to powerful home appliances, these tech gadgets are designed to elevate your everyday life. Let's break down 10 of the best and most useful tech gadgets you can grab right now on Amazon. Philips Hue Gradient Light Strip. The Philips Hue Gradient Light Strip is more than just mood lighting. It's a dynamic, color-shifting smart light that transforms your space into an immersive visual experience. Unlike traditional LED strips, this one can display multiple colors at once, creating smooth transitions that react to movies, music, or your room's vibe. It syncs perfectly with your smart home setup through Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit, allowing you to control it with your voice or phone. The adhesive back and flexible design make it easy to install behind TVs, under cabinets, or along baseboards. Whether you're enhancing your entertainment setup or just adding flair to your space, this light strip delivers versatility and atmosphere. It's not only decorative but functional, especially in dark rooms. Anker Nebula Capsule 3 Projector. The Anker Nebula Capsule 3 is a miniature powerhouse that fits an entire theater experience into a soda-can-sized projector. With a crisp 1080p resolution and autofocus, it projects bright, clear visuals onto almost any surface, making movie nights incredibly portable. Android TV is built right in, so you can stream Netflix, Disney+, or YouTube without needing an extra device. Despite its small size, it boasts powerful 8W speakers that deliver immersive sound. The battery lasts several hours, perfect for travel, outdoor movies, or presentations. It also supports HDMI and USB-C, making it super flexible. Whether you're camping or binge-watching from bed, it's a fun and functional tech gadget. Compact and sleek, it's ideal for small spaces or spontaneous plans. eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid. The eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid combines vacuuming and mopping in one sleek, intelligent cleaning machine. Equipped with dual turbine technology and AI-powered napping, it navigates your home with laser precision, avoiding obstacles while delivering powerful suction. It's especially great for pet owners, as it effectively handles fur and dander while keeping hardwood and tile floors gleaming. Through the app, you can set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, and customize your cleaning routes from anywhere. The hybrid feature means your floors not only get vacuumed but lightly mopped too, offering a deeper clean without lifting a finger. It returns to charge automatically and continues cleaning without your help. Ring Video Doorbell 4. The Ring Video Doorbell 4 is a smart security upgrade that lets you see and speak to visitors from anywhere in real time. It captures clear 1080p HD video with enhanced motion detection, and it offers pre-roll footage, so you see what happened before a motion alert was triggered. Whether it's a delivery, a guest, or a stranger, you'll know instantly through notifications on your phone. Two-way audio lets you communicate directly, adding another layer of convenience and safety. It integrates seamlessly with other Ring and Alexa devices, turning your home into a connected fortress. The easy setup and rechargeable battery make it very user-friendly. It's a must for any homeowner who values security and peace of mind. Arlo Pro 5 Security Camera. The Arlo Pro 5 is a premium, wire-free security camera that delivers crystal-clear 2K HDR video and advanced color night vision. It has a wide 160-degree field of view, ensuring no blind spots around your property. With AI-powered motion detection and smart alerts, it distinguishes between people, animals, and vehicles, so you're only notified when it really matters. The camera is weather-resistant and works seamlessly indoors or outdoors. Setup is straightforward with direct Wi-Fi connectivity, and the rechargeable battery can last months on a single charge. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, it's a truly smart surveillance system. Whether you're home or away, it gives you full control and visibility. Withings ScanWatch Horizon. The Withings ScanWatch Horizon blends luxury style with powerful health tracking features, wrapped in a stainless steel smartwatch that looks like a classic diver's watch. It monitors ECG, blood oxygen levels, heart rate, sleep quality, and even detects signs of breathing disturbances. All this data syncs to the HealthMate app for deeper insights and trends over time. With a battery life that stretches up to 30 days, it's a rare blend of style, function, and stamina. The small digital screen on the watch face displays key info like notifications, step count, and metrics in real time. It's waterproof and durable, making it perfect for everyday wear or workouts. Garmin Venu 3. The Garmin Venu 3 is a comprehensive fitness smartwatch designed for serious athletes and everyday users alike. It offers advanced health tracking, like heart rate variability, sleep stages, stress, and energy levels, combined with GPS and workout modes for nearly every sport. Its crisp AMOLED display makes all your data easy to view on the go, and the responsive touchscreen keeps navigation intuitive. The Venu 3 can even make and receive calls when paired with your phone and supports music storage for phone-free workouts. With multi-day battery life and excellent durability, it's built for all-day wear and intense activity. It's also stylish enough to wear with any outfit. If you want a watch that's both health-focused and smart-featured, the Venu 3 hits the sweet spot. Jabra Elite 85T Earbuds. The Jabra Elite 85T earbuds offer a premium audio experience thanks to their adjustable active noise cancellation and high-quality drivers that deliver rich, balanced sound. Designed for long-term comfort, they come with multiple gel tips and an ergonomic shape that stays snug even during workouts or commutes. You can personalize the sound and ANC settings through the Jabra Sound Plus app, making the experience uniquely yours. With up to 25 hours of total battery life and quick charging capabilities, you won't be left without tunes. These earbuds also feature crystal clear call quality using multiple microphones that reduce wind and background noise. They're water-resistant too, making them great for all-weather use. Sleek, powerful, and reliable, they're among the best in their class. Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean 9750. The Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean 9750 is a premium electric toothbrush that uses sonic technology to deliver 31,000 brush strokes per minute, ensuring a deep and effective clean every time. It features multiple smart brushing modes tailored for plaque removal, whitening, gum care, and even tongue cleaning. What makes it stand out is its smart sensors that provide real-time feedback and a connected app that guides your brushing technique. The stylish charging glass and travel case add a luxury feel to this essential hygiene tool. It also has a sleek touchscreen interface that shows you exactly what mode you're using. A 2-minute timer and quadrant guidance system ensure dentist-level results. For anyone serious about oral health, this toothbrush brings tech and precision into daily life. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker is the ultimate single-serve machine for those who want both convenience and customization. It brews your favorite K-Cup pods in under a minute and offers a strong brew setting for a richer, more robust flavor. The machine supports multiple cup sizes and even has an iced coffee mode for those hot summer mornings. With a large 75-ounce water reservoir, it can brew several cups before needing a refill. It also features temperature control, auto-on, and a programmable clock or scheduled brews. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Whether you're in a rush or savoring a slow morning, it delivers your caffeine fix flawlessly. It's a must-have for coffee lovers who demand speed without sacrificing quality. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible tech gadgets, make sure to like this video, leave a comment telling us which one you'd love to try, and subscribe to stay updated on the coolest innovations on Amazon. We're here to help you find smarter, more exciting ways to upgrade your everyday life.